motherfucking remix. Sorry for the pimple on my forehead.
It's colored Bob, you know.
Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm Bob Ross. And we're gonna be trying to paint one of my tutorials only using Dollar Tree items. Right? So I went to the Dollar Tree.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
How much for this Revlon shampoo?
Everything in the store is $1.
Wow.
Believe it. Everything's $1 at Dollar Tree.
Are you new?
No.
How much are these Panasonic batteries?
$1.
Oh, that boggles my mind.
How much is this? $1.
Seriously?
Bottom line. Bottom line is $1.
How much for this Play-Doh? Excuse, sir. Excuse me.
How much is this?
How much is it?
At Dollar Tree, there's no need to ask how much.
Everything in the store is $1.
Believe it.
Like a couple weeks ago and bought all this stuff to make this video. And I'm finally able to do it. I'm gonna show you what I got at the Dollar Tree. You guys probably already saw this, but I got two of these paints. They're almost the same color. I got some of these Crayola washable paints in some ugly colors because they only had these 4 colors, and I don't know why they sell these if they don't have the primary colors. I got some of these paints that are just called paints. I got some of these. I got some poster paint because wow, we love that, you know. I got some Mickey Mouse watercolor. But got some canvases, and that's basically it.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you to the 29th.
Okay, so he's using liquid white, and I don't have liquid white, so I'm gonna use this Crayola white. It's paint. Okay, let's get started. So I feel like this is our biggest brush. Oh god, I can already tell this is gonna be bad. Okay, I got my liquid white on there.
To the alizarin crimson. And we just load a little bit right into the bristles. Pull a little paint out, tap the bristles firmly to assure a nice even distribution of paint all the way through the bristles. And let's go right up here. And we'll take this old
I'm gonna
brush and just making little X's, little crisscross strokes.
okay. Little
We'll just
X's.
very quickly drop in.
Oh my
just
god.
to the part of the sky here.
Oh my god. Oh wait. Oh
I
wait.
sort of like that.
Let me get some more
In our
red.
world, we can do anything that we
Okay.
want to do here.
Okay,
Any
Abraham.
little thing. There. Doesn't take
Can I
too long.
see
to use
you?
The brush is 2 inches wide.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Without even cleaning the brush, we'll go right into little fingers.
Okay, I think that's the best we're gonna get it. Okay, I think that's good. So now he's adding some blue.
I like phthalo blue. It's a very warm blue. Very nice. Once again, just tap a little color into it, and let's go back up here. And still using our little crisscross strokes, X's.
This is we're gonna get creative, you guys. So I can find some blue Crayola paint. So let's try to use some poster paint. Some of this poster paint. I hope this is good poster paint. You guys see that? It's like jiggly. Well, it's okay. Okay, let's put some on there. Okay, so crimson. Not crimson. What color is this? Like a bluish? I don't even know. Okay.
We'll just in this little pink
We need
area,
more than
it'll
that.
just eat it up. So be careful. Be careful. All go away.
Okay, Abraham, I see you doing his technique with the X's. Oh god. We can fix it. We can fix it. No, we cannot fix it. What if I blend it a little? Okay, I'm gonna blend it a little with some water. And I'm just kind of gently stroking it down. Okay. Okay.
If you don't
Okay, I
like the
want some
indication of
clouds
a
now.
happy little cloud, all you do is just sort of tap. Little stringy cloud just lives right there in the brush. There. Let's see what we have out on there. Let's have some water in this painting. I love water, and it's very easy to paint in this style.
Going from the outside in.
Still water is always level. And I think today we'll have still water, so pull from the outside in.
Like that.
Outside in. Something about like so. All right.
That kind of looks like water, right? Right? I think that looks like water. I think I'm doing good, you guys. I'm thriving.
Shake off the excess.
Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie. This kind of looks good in the camera. It kind of looks good in real life too, so I think we should keep going. Let's not give up right here.
Brush will do marvelous things. Watch here, watch here, watch here. It's fun. Just take the corner of the brush and just pull down. Something about like. Like so. Straight down, straight down. I'll make it look like little. There, let's go up in here. And maybe in our world, there lives, does now, some little trees back in here. Now these are a little closer. You're seeing a little more detail, a little more distinct.
So now he's making trees, and he used like a green for that, which I think I should use this green because that green looks too light. Yeah, I'm gonna use this green. Okay, so far I'm really liking it. You know, I'm seeing something. I'm seeing water and some mountains. But this can make it or break it right here. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, now it looks like
There. And we just drop them in. We don't know where they go. Wherever you want them. That's exactly where they should live.
Well, what am I doing?
As a traditional painter, one of the hardest things to make effectively was reflections. Watch how easy. I'll take some of that same color.
Okay, so reflections.
We'll take a 2-inch brush touch.
Okay, so he's making reflections.
Just
Like,
pull straight
oh
down.
my. So he's adding white. Let's add white with some of
We'll
this.
use liquid white. Pull it out very flat as you can get it. Cut across. Okay. And we can go right up in here. And we can just drop in just a little waterline. Just a happy little waterline lives back in here somewhere.
Okay, some watermark.
Don't know that we even care. Just let your imagination take you anywhere you want. I think everybody should have a friend. Even a tree. Even a tree needs a friend. Now if you want to reflect those, just pop in some general indications of where they are. No big deal. Because we don't make mistakes here. We have happy accidents. Very quickly you learn to work with anything that happens. Take the big brush and pull down, straight down once again, and then go across. And we have instant reflections. I just use that same fan brush. It has that color we made the tree out of it. I go through cad yellow and a little yellow ochre. Immediately we have green. There we are. Let's go in here. Then we can take our green. Let's go back. Put some highlights on our little evergreen trees. There they go. Alright, this little tree here. He's saying, don't leave me out. I need some dough. There we are. There we are. Alright. Now, put a little liquid white right on that same brush because I want to lighten the color again. thinner.
Oh my god.
And it down here, right down in his little foots. Something about like it. How's that? That looks like a little island. Let's put some dirt there. Let's take some white, a little dark sienna. Mix them. We gotta figure out something to do on the other side now. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. You know, if you've painted with me before, I like old big trees. Let's take a little bit of that color right there.
Oh god, now he's doing another one.
Tree deals
Oh,
right there.
what am I doing?
Right there. Big old tree. But he's a nice tree. There he is.
That doesn't look bad. Not gonna lie.
What, maybe let's do something about it, I guess.
Wow, I'm such a talented guy.
All kinds of little bushes.
Wow. Oh, he's doing more stuff.
What lives here?
What are you doing?
How far it goes? How tall is it? How short is it? Fat, skinny, in between.
Add some white. He said just don't be afraid, you know? Let's just keep doing that. Wow. 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 Not gonna lie, from the camera it looks nice. Okay, but can we appreciate it? Like, it's not that bad for being $1. You know what I mean? I don't have the right ingredients. What am I talking about, ingredients? Look how beautiful that looks, you guys. Like, from a distance, it probably looks amazing. You see? Wow.